Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Impreza cabin air filter. First, clear out your glove box completely. Then, gently detach the dampener arm on the right side. Next, unclip the glove box from its lower hinges by pressing inward on the sides. Once it's free, carefully remove the glove box and set it aside in a safe place. This gives you clear access to the filter housing behind it. Now that the glove box is out of the way, you'll see the rectangular cabin air filter housing. It's usually secured with 2 clips or a few small screws. Carefully unfasten these to remove the cover. Before pulling out the old filter, take a moment to observe the airflow arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for installing the new filter correctly, ensuring proper air circulation within your vehicle's cabin. With the cover off, you can now gently slide out the old cabin air filter. You'll likely see how much dirt and debris it has collected. Take your new filter and make sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated and flush. Avoid forcing it, as this could damage the filter or housing. Finally, replace the filter housing cover, ensuring all clips or screws are securely fastened. Then, carefully reattach your glove box by aligning its lower hinges and reattaching the dampener arm. Give it a gentle push to make sure it latches properly. You've successfully changed your cabin air filter. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. A fresh filter improves air quality and HVAC performance, so enjoy the clean air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.